Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to be doing a review on Lion Ridge's Minimalist carbon fiber wallet. I got it right here in the box. Now, when you open it up, there's a little thank you card. It says thank you for your purchase. And it gives you a free little gift. It says if you leave feedback for them. But inside the box we have a little bag with 5 screws. Guess they're replacements in case these ones ever come out. We also have a little screwdriver that comes with the wallet as well. Little screwdriver. But right here we have the wallet. Well, it's a money clip, but you can tell the carbon fiber looks awesome. Very good quality. Over here we got the money clip. So this side opens up and that's where you would put your cards. This is where you keep your cash. Now, I'm going to show you how it works. So you open it up, you kind of peel it open, you can put one of your cards in there. And when it closes, it clamps down. Now, when you want to get your card out of here, you use your thumb and you push up, grab the card you need, take it out, and then you can slide it right back in. Really easy to use. Now, I'm going to test it out. I'm going to put some money in here. My life savings. So yeah, it's pretty low profile. It holds the money good. It doesn't feel like it's going to fall out really. It holds it in there. It's pretty quality, if you ask me. Now, it does have a lot of cool features. Like it has RFID blocking, which means that they can't steal your identity through your wallet. It's made of real 3K carbon fiber. If you want to try and get a closer look at this. The designs on this thing are just unreal. Super nice. Now, the cool thing about Lionheart's money clip is it has a lifetime warranty, which means if anything ever breaks on it, it's covered. But I doubt this thing will ever break because it's made of quality materials. I really like this wallet. I'm looking forward to using it. I just want to give you guys a close-up view. I want to thank you guys for bearing with me through this first video. This is my first product review that I've ever done, but I'd love to hear your tips, and I'd love to talk to you guys, so leave me some comments in the comments section. And yeah, subscribe. I'll be around with a lot more videos soon. Just stay tuned.